بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the second lesson of the book 1 of Madina. Last or previous lesson we learned the ism هذا. هذا, that means this is. It's used for closed item or for al-qarib. Today, inshallah, we are going to use another ism, al-ishara, demonstrative pronoun called ذلك. ذلك means that. Okay, ذلك means that. And as we saw in the first one for هذا, ذلك as well should have alif here. Okay, should have small alif here written to make the long. Okay, we can write like this and we can write with no alif, doesn't matter. Okay, so ذلك means that. Okay, inshallah. So we have ذلك in one go. ذلك as we did for هذا. هذا بيت. هذا مسجد. We do the same for ذلك. ذلك بيت. ذلك مسجد. Same. Okay, so we have to put a vowel as well. This is second time we are going to put the vowels. ذلك بيت. ذلك مسجد. Okay. بيت مسجد. Same, yeah. We have ذلك بيت means that is a house. ذلك مسجد means that is a masjid. Okay, so we have ذلك بيت and ذلك مسجد. That is a house. That is a masjid. Okay, just because slowly, just to remind you the rules that we have, yeah? That is the house and that is the masjid. What's missed here? That is the house. That is the masjid. It's missing the copula, yeah? The copula verb that we say it should be in Arabic, not existing. In Arabic, we don't have the copula verb, so we do the same here. We have to add it in English. That is a masjid, and that is a house. Okay, we take this, inshallah. Take it to the. We understand this one, yeah? We finish with that. ذلك بيت and ذلك مسجد. Good. Okay. So we say that ذلك or هذا is used for closed item. وذلك we use to demonstrate var items. Yeah. So we have to don't do the vowels. Yeah, you have to learn them without vowels. The vowels are here. هذا is for القريب. قريب means close. Okay. Is if we say, for example, هذا كتاب. Okay. هذا كتاب. ذلك قلم. Okay. ذلك قلم. Make it small a little bit. هذا كتاب وذلك قلم. هذا كتاب is a clause. وذلك قلم is far. Far means بعيد means far in Arabic. Okay, so we have clause item, which is the book, which is هذا. This book is close, and we have the pen, which is far. Don't. It's far. We say ذلك. This is a book. That is a pen. Good. Now, how to join these two words? How to join them? We need something to say. For example, I want to say, okay, this is a book and that is a pen. Yeah, we know that a book is kitabun. A pen is, what is a pen? Pen is qalam. Okay, so how to do this one? How to add and. What is and in Arabic? What is it? Okay. Who can tell me what is? I give you 2 seconds to find and. This is a book. That's a book. And that is a pen. And will be replaced by or means wa. For the vowel. And means wa. هذا كتاب وذلك قلم. هذا كتاب وذلك قلم. Okay. We have a sentence with 5 words now. Means we can do now, because we introduced well, we can do a sentence of 5 words so far. هذا كتاب وذلك قلم. This is a book and that is a pen. Perfect. So if you come back to the grammar, we are going to see what we said last week. We are going to look at it briefly, yeah? Very briefly. هذا كتاب. We say that هذا is مبتدا. هذا قلم. هذا is مبتدا. This one and this one. This is مبتدا. This is مبتدا and this is مبتدا. Means the subject. And we have كتاب. We said it's خبر. And قلم as well is خبر. Just remember this. Next lesson, we are going to focus on this grammar, inshallah, and we go for all the grammars we did so far. مبتدا, خبر, nakira. We are going to see a ma'rifah as well. And we have today the new word, which is called حرف الجر, حرف العطف. Okay? حرف العطف, which is this one. Well, it calls حرف العطف, which join two words or two sentences. Yeah. This we are going to see them next lesson 3, inshallah. So this is called مبتدا. This is called خبر. All this sentence is called جملة اسمية because it starts with الاسم, the noun. This is a noun. هذا كتاب. This is a noun as well. Okay, inshallah. Take off these ones. So we do the same sentence. هذا سكر. That's a new word that we are going to learn in this second lesson. هذا وذلك لبن. وذلك لبن. Okay. هذا سكر وذلك لبن. هذا سكر وذلك لبن. سكر, how to write سكر? ضمة سو ك رن هذا سكر وذلك لبن. Okay. وذلك لبن. لبن is the same. لبن. Yeah. لا بن. هذا سكر وذلك لبن. We remember that this is called the tanween. The tanween is for the indefinite. Okay. هذا سكر وذلك لبن. So we have here different indefinite word, or indefinite word, which is Lebanon. Next lesson, we are going to see the definite word and the indefinite word and what is the difference between them. The indefinite words, we say it's just have always two vowels, two dhamma or two kasra or to fatha. Okay, we come back later, inshallah. We go for the lesson, and the lesson 2 today, inshallah, is about ذلك. ذلك, that means to point to something, to demonstrate something which is far. We have the same questions. ما ذلك, ذلك, as we did in the previous lesson. هذا كتاب. This is a book. ما هذا, what is this? هذا كتاب, is this a book? نعم and لا. Yeah. We have the same with ماذا for ذلك. We have ذلك, ذلك نجم, ذلك بيت, ذلك حمار. It's far. Okay. So we ask about ما ذلك. ما ذلك means what is that? النجم is far, is not close. We cannot touch this. The star is far on the space. So we say ما ذلك. You answer by ذلك نجم. ذلك نجم means that is a star. That's new word, star. Go for بيت and masjid. هذا مسجد. هذا مسجد. This is a masjid. وحرف عطف that we did in the lesson. ذلك بيت. ذلك بيت. هذا masjid is close to us. وذلك بيت which is far. Okay, the masjid is close and the house is far. So we use to demonstrate these two items. هذا for masjid because it's close to us, and we use ذلك for بيت which is far. Same with the two animals. هذا حصان. This is a horse. And ذلك حمار, and that is a donkey. Okay. We ask. We are looking at an animal under the tree. تحت الشجرة. We ask, what is this animal? It looks like a dog. Yeah, it looks like a dog for us. So we say أذلك كلب. أذلك كلب. أذلك كلب. Is that a dog? It's the same as we did in the previous lesson. أهذا. We use it أذلك as well the same way. أذلك كلب. Is that a dog? No, his friend will say, no, it's not a dog, it is a cat. He say, لا, no, ذلك قط. No, that is a cat. ما ذلك. ما ذلك. What is that? ذلك سرير. ذلك سرير. This is for this page. And we are going to see a teacher and an imam. You know what is imam? He is the one who leads the prayer. So one who leads the prayer in masjid or anywhere. من هذا ومن ذلك is the same way that we did with هذا. We use it for ذلك to ask about humans. من هذا, who is this? ومن ذلك, and who is that? Who is this? We speak about the teacher. And who is that? We speak about imam. هذا مدرس. هذا مدرس. This is a teacher. وذلك إمام. And that is an imam. ما ذلك. There is a stone on the road over there. We ask, what is that? ما ذلك. ذلك حجر. That is a rock. ذلك حجر. Okay. هذا سكر. هذا. Sugar is close to us. Sugar is سكر. هذا سكر. وذلك لبن. And that is milk. وذلك لبن. We use as well another word for milk. We say حليب. We can say حليب or لبن. That's the same. Okay. We come back to our board. I'll make it smaller. And inshallah, We are going to ask about ما هذا ما ذلك ما ذلك as we did ما ذلك with a ومن ذلك. We have من ذلك. Okay, we have another question. من ذلك من ذلك وأذلك ذلك. Okay, are we going to put the vowels? No need, yeah? No need the vowels. Or we put only for that one. Okay? We put only for that one. First one. ما ذلك من ذلك ما ذلك ما ذلك من ذلك and ذلك. Okay, good. So here ذلك ذلك رجل ذلك رجل. Okay, we have these three common so far, these common that we learned so far. ذلك رجل. Is that a man? ما ذلك ما ذلك ذلك بيت ذلك بيت ذلك بيت. Okay, ما ذلك ذلك بيت ذلك بيت. من ذلك من ذلك 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 ذلك. Okay, try to make it smaller. Put the place here. من ذلك من ذلك ذلك رجل. ذلك we say ذلك رجل ذلك رجل. ذلك رجل. That means that is a man. That is a man. أذلك رجل. أذلك. Now we have another question. أذلك رجل. أذلك رجل. أذلك رجل. If it is, yes. But if it's not a رجل, how to say this? You say no, no, no way. It's not a man, he's small. So we say لا. ذلك ذلك. Try to get all this. ذلك ولد. ولد. No, ذلك ولد. لا ذلك ولد. And for ولد we put تنوين. Yeah. waladun, because it is indefinite for waladun. Okay, can you see that? Okay, that's good. Ma is used for the objects, as we say. Ma is used for the objects. Okay, we use this for the object. ما ذلك ذلك بيت، ما ذلك ذلك حمار، ما ذلك ذلك مفتاح. Okay. من is used for human. من هذا or من ذلك، ذلك رجل، من ذلك ذلك ولد. We did this in the first lesson. Yeah, we have 6 humans that we learn. رجل is a man, ولد is a boy, طبيب is a doctor, طالب is a student. We have تاجر, which is a merchant, and we learn as well مدرس, which is a teacher. Do not never ever forget what is مدرس. It is the teacher. Okay, and we have as well a can be used for both of humans and objects. Okay, that's the lesson of today. So we come back to the exercise. This will be inshallah done as well in the WhatsApp group. All these exercises will be done in WhatsApp group inshallah. We post page after page, and we are going to discuss about other items, and we will not finish the lesson as we did for the previous lesson, lesson 1. We do not jump to the next page until you learn it properly with the good sound of the words. Okay, for example, هذا سكر, this is sugar, وذلك لبن, and that is milk. من ذلك, who is that? Okay, ذلك إمام, that is an imam. ما هذا, because it's an object, we say هذا حجر. We use ما instead of من. ذلك قط, لا ذلك كلب. Okay, we use this inshallah in the WhatsApp group, and these are the new words for this lesson. We have imam. We all know what is imam. Is the one who leads the prayer. We have hajaron. You know what is hajar? It's a stone. As we have, if we go to Hajj, we have a black stone, al-hajar al-aswad. We have sukkaron as well, sugar, and we have labanun, which is milk. Okay. So now, after when we finish, to jump to the third lesson. To jump to the third lesson, so lesson 3, you need to do the quiz as well. We will not do the quiz. We did it in the first. I show you in the first, but just to remind you that you have to go to the courses. To go to the courses from here, course. You click on the course, or you go to Learn Online Course, View More, or you scroll down. You scroll down, and you have all the courses here. Yeah. We are doing Madina Book 1. We go for Madina Book 1. We choose this one, Arabic Reader. You click on it, and you go for the lesson, this time for the lesson 2. You scroll down. Always you have to find in the curriculum. In the curriculum, we did the lesson 1, recording 1. And we did the quiz. Now we go for the lesson 2. You click on this and you start your quiz. When you finish the quiz, if you fail, you retake the quiz. If you success to the quiz, you will be sent to the other WhatsApp group, which is Madina Book 1, Lesson 3. And when all of the students, or most of them, will finish the quiz, we start, inshallah, the lesson 3. And remember that if you do not do the quiz, or if you fail on the quiz and do not repeat it, you cannot follow with us the lesson 3. Okay? Inshallah, this lesson was benefit for you. And I ask Allah to give you the knowledge of it, inshallah. And I will see you, inshallah, to discuss the whole lesson in the group, inshallah. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.